Dublin in a rainstorm, sitting in the long grass in summer, keeping warm. I remember it, every restless night. We were so young then, we thought that everything we could possibly do was right. And we moved, stolen from our very eyes. And I wondered where you went to. And tell me, when did the light die? You will rise, you'll return, the phoenix from the flame. You will learn, you'll rise, you'll return, being what you are. There is no other troll for you to burn out. To hurt you, I swear I didn't mean those things I said. I never meant to do that to you. Next time I keep my hands to myself instead. Oh, does she love you? What do you want to do? Does she need you like I do? Love her? Is she good for you? Does she hold you like I do? Should I leave? I know you're always telling me that you love me, but just sometimes I wonder if I shouldn't leave. Oh, I love you. God, I love you. I'd kill a dragon for you. Return. The